Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving into an exciting and valuable topic: how to improve your English fluency. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone passionate about mastering the English language, this video is designed for you. Fluency in English is not just about knowing the vocabulary and grammar, it's about being able to express yourself effortlessly and confidently in various situations. In the next few minutes, we will explore a range of practical tips and techniques that you can incorporate into your daily routine to enhance your English speaking skills. From immersive practices and listening exercises to speaking strategies and common pitfalls to avoid, we've got you covered. Let's start by understanding what fluency truly means. Fluency involves not only the speed and ease of speaking but also the ability to understand and be understood by others. It's about achieving a level of comfort and naturalness in your communication. Tip 1. Regular practice. One effective method to improve fluency is through regular practice. Engage in conversations with native speakers or fellow learners as often as possible. Don't shy away from making mistakes, they are an essential part of the learning process. Practice makes perfect, and the more you speak, the more confident you will become. Consider joining language exchange groups or online communities where you can practice speaking in a supportive environment. Tip 2. Immerse yourself in the language. Another key strategy is to immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English through various media. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies and TV shows in English, and read English books or articles. This exposure helps you get accustomed to different accents, pronunciations, and idiomatic expressions, enriching your understanding and usage of the language. Try to mimic the pronunciation and intonation patterns of native speakers to improve your own speaking style. Tip 3. Expand your vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial for fluency. Learning new words and phrases will give you more tools to express yourself clearly and accurately. Keep a vocabulary journal and make it a habit to review and use new words in your conversations. Use flashcards, apps, or word-of-the-day calendars to keep your learning process dynamic and engaging. Challenge yourself to learn and use a certain number of new words each week. Tip 4. Work on pronunciation. Clear and correct pronunciation makes a significant difference in how well you're understood. There are numerous online resources and apps that can help you practice and improve your pronunciation. Focus on the sounds that are difficult for you and practice them regularly. Record yourself speaking and compare it with native speakers. This will help you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Tip 5. Practice active listening. Active listening is a powerful tool for improving fluency. Pay close attention to how native speakers construct their sentences, use expressions, and convey meaning. Practice shadowing, where you listen to a sentence or phrase and then immediately repeat it. This technique can help you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Additionally, listening to a variety of English speakers can help you become more adaptable to different accents and speaking styles. Tip 6. Use technology to your advantage. Leverage technology to enhance your learning experience. Use language learning apps, online courses, and speech recognition software to practice and refine your skills. Many apps provide interactive exercises, feedback, and even virtual conversation partners to help you practice speaking in real time. These tools can make your learning process more efficient and enjoyable. Tip 7. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic goals for your language learning journey. Break down your overall fluency goal into smaller, manageable milestones. Celebrate your progress as you reach each milestone and adjust your learning strategies as needed. Having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused on your path to fluency. Thank you for joining us today. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.